Hello, this is Chad Wolf with Countryside Chevrolet, and I'm introducing one of our top picks on the lot. It's a 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. And this is sterling gray metallic exterior color with chrome accents all the way across the vehicle. Tahoe is best in class for ride quality and power with the 5.3 V8 engine. This one also has four-wheel drive capability, along with Chevrolet's redesigned interior that offers Apple CarPlay and Google CarPlay wirelessly connected. Come by Countryside Chevrolet and check out this brand new Chevrolet Tahoe.